We live in a world where everyone wants to appear strong, confident, and untouchable. But here's the truth most people don't realize. Real strength doesn't come from hiding your emotions. It comes from showing them. That's the hidden power of vulnerability. So what is vulnerability, really? Vulnerability isn't oversharing your problems with everyone you meet. It's the courage to be authentic. To say, this is me. These are my fears. These are my dreams. And I'm not afraid to let you see the real me. Why does this matter so much? Because psychology shows that when you open up just a little, people instantly feel more connected to you. Why? Because it creates trust. Think about it. When someone shares something personal with you, you don't see them as weak. You see them as human. You feel closer. You respect their honesty. And in relationships, vulnerability is the glue that creates intimacy. But here's the secret most men don't know. Vulnerability also makes you more attractive. Not in a look at me, I'm helpless way, but in the sense that when you're not afraid to be real, women feel safer around you. They trust you more. They sense that you're genuine. And trust me, confidence mixed with vulnerability is far more powerful than confidence alone. Now here's the danger. A lot of people confuse vulnerability with weakness. Weakness is avoiding responsibility, blaming others, or needing constant validation. Vulnerability, on the other hand, is about strength. It's saying, I'm not perfect, but I'm honest. I'm not flawless, but I'm real. That honesty is magnetic. So how do you use vulnerability without being taken advantage of? Here are 3 rules. Rule number 1, be selective. Not everyone deserves your deepest truths. Start small. Share with people who've earned your trust. Rule number 2, balance it with strength. Show your real emotions, but don't let them control you. Vulnerability works best when people can see you're open but still grounded. Rule number 3, lead with authenticity. Don't fake vulnerability just to get attention. People can sense it. Share because you want real connection, not because you want pity. Here's the bottom line. Vulnerability is not weakness. It's the ultimate form of courage. When you're vulnerable, you give permission for others to be real with you too. And that's how you build deeper relationships, stronger connections, and true respect. So the next time you feel the urge to hide your emotions, don't, because the thing you're afraid to show might be the very thing that makes people fall in love with you, trust you, and remember you. If this resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe for more psychology and self-growth insights, and share this with someone who needs to hear it today.